He stole the moon and fought some purple minions and has 3 crazy smart daughters. But why is Gru so good and yet tries to be so bad at the same time? Maybe it's because of those 3 girls that keep him in check. I don't know. Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. Today's adventure, we will be exploring how to draw the world's greatest bad guy, not bad guy, kinda good guy, Gru, in his new movie, The Rise of Gru. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to begin, just like I always like to. I like to begin with his eyes. His eyes are... Let's get the paper in the right spot. His eyes are going to come up and over and around. We're going to come up, over, and around. Stop. And then we're going to do the same thing from this corner where we started. We're going to start right there. We're going to come around and connect. So, come around and connect. Awesome, looking good. All right, now for this shot, we're going to want to do his nose next, actually then his other eye. So his nose kind of looks like a spaceship from this picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little curve. I'm going to go straight. So we're going to do, here we go. A little curve, and then straight, and then a C, and then come back down, and then curve out again, just like over here. Just like over here. Perfect. Okay, now we need his other eyeball, and his other eyeball is actually slightly hidden by his nose. So let's curve around again. Stop, and then curve all the way back to the nose. Okay, not bad. Now, in this eye, we want to do his actual eye. It looks like it's blue, and then, of course, the black center. So we're going to do a nice perfect circle. Or I should say the best circle that we can do. Then we want to do the black pupil. Black pupil. Perfect. Okay, same thing on the other side. Nice big circle. Then a pupil right there. Awesome. Now, a nose. What are you missing on the nose? Oh, wait. Missing a nostril. That's what we're missing. Well, not just one, but 2. So 2 nostrils. 1, 2. Awesome. Okay, now for the next part. Let's move on to his mouth. So first, he has these little creases. And come down right there. Down right there. And then his mouth, what we're going to do is we're going to do almost a straight line across. We're going to do just a slight up. Slight curve upward and down. Just ever so slight. Come up, over, and down. Perfect. Now we're going to do the rest of his mouth. We're going to come down and curve. So we're going to follow this line and go down and curve. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing from this side and connect the 2. Down and curve. Perfect, guys. That's looking so good. All right, now we're going to add his teeth. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a nice straight bar across to make it be more even. And of course you could add more details or whatever, but I'm just going to do some lines. And then later on, if you want to add some curvature or, make his teeth look a little bit more round, maybe you can add a little details. Something to make his teeth look a little bit more like teeth, but I don't want to mess around with that too much. Then we need his bottom teeth, and this one I'm going to actually go through and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I will end up just kind of making some teeth out of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and then we're missing a tongue, so let's just put a little tongue in there. There we go, a little hill, then a little hill. And then of course we have in the very back just a little dingly thing. A little dingly thing. Because he's yelling, he's so excited to go take over the world. Alright, that's looking great, guys. Alright, let's do his head. So let's first begin with above his eyeball. We're going to just kind of curve and come down. Curve. Right to below his eye, and then stop. Then we're going to give him just like a little cheek. We're going to go out and around towards his mouth. And let's stop right there. Stop right there. Now, with his forehead, it's kind of funny because it comes down, it goes down, and then comes back up because of his hair. So that's what we'll be doing. Curve down and come back up and around to his eye, and then do a little cheek again. And then let's connect the two. He also then has his classic scarf. So let's just do a little tiny curve. Little tiny curve. And connect the two. Connect them. Perfect. Lines. Because it's all striped. Awesome. Then for his hair, well, let's give him some eyebrows. Real thin little eyebrows. There we go. All right. Now for his hair, it's going to be kind of blowing in the wind, so let's just give it a little bit of craziness. Kind of like it's just blowing in the wind. Oh my goodness, we forgot something very important. His ears. Now in this picture, how this works is his ear is actually really low. I never noticed this, but now I need to go and check the other videos. But where is his ears usually in the movies? Looks like his ears are way at his cheek. Hey, and then, what are we missing, guys? Who is Groot always seen with? You got it, his minions. So let's do a curve around and stop. Then we're going to do a nice big circle. We're going to come down here, almost like we're connecting across. and come down, and we're gonna stop right there, and then curve back to Gru's face. All right. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do some black lines, 2 parallel lines. Awesome. And let's do 2 parallel lines the other direction as well. Then let's do the eyeball. Straight line, then a circle. Awesome. Another circle. And let's just do one more. And this is going to be the pupil of his minion. Then for the minion, we're going to do a straight line towards the bottom. And then we're going to do a nice big rainbow curve, like they're scared. And some buck teeth. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to come down, real short, curve up, do a line that mimics that. So another parallel line, curls down, and we're going to go right there. I'm going to put a little pocket. They have those overalls they always wear. They have a pocket in front. Okay. Now for his glove, the minion. They always stick out a little bit from your arms. So we're going to go like that. And kind of curl, not curl, but do a straight line in, straight line in. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, one more minion, and then we're going to color in and be done. Okay. This side, we're going to do a big circle, which connects to another big circle. And we got the eyes are inside of their metal glasses, I guess. And same thing on this side. All right, that's looking good. And then we're going to do the actual pupil. Now for the head, we're going to do a big curve. Come past the eye, then come straight down. Go across. And we're going to just put his arm down. And we're just going to stop right there. We're not going to do his whole body. Overall, we're going to do his smile. He's also pretty mischievous. Curl down. All right. Oh, and we're forgetting his little straps for his glasses. Okay, so now let's color in what we need to get done coloring in. So I'm going to color in the back of his mouth, inside of his mouth, probably around where that band is holding on his glasses, then his gloves, just to add some details. those nostrils nice and colored in. Now on to the other minion. Okay, awesome. Good work, guys. And that is the Rise of Gru picture. Of course, this picture isn't perfect or anything, but we're just learning to draw and practicing how to draw. So if you make mistakes along the way, that's totally fine. If this video is all helpful to you, or if you feel like you learned something, smash the like button, subscribe for more great videos, and that way you can get more of my great videos recommended to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.